On March 11, 2011, 5:46 a.m. UTC, a magnitude 9.1 quake hit below the North Pacific Ocean, 81 miles east of Sendai, the largest city in the Tohoku region, the northern part of the island of Honshu in Japan. The U.S. Geological Survey stated that about 400 kilometers or 250 miles of Japan's Honshu coastline dropped by 2 feet. The quake occurred offshore of Japan, along a subduction zone where the east of Japan, the Pacific Plate, dives beneath the Eurasian Plate, causing it to center on the seafloor 45 miles east of Tohoku, 15 miles deep below the surface, and the seism lasted about 6 minutes. It is the strongest earthquake that Japan has experienced throughout its history. The said tremor caused a massive tsunami, devouring thousands of lives, with the waves reaching the height of up to 39 meters at Miyako City, then traveling inland as far as 10 kilometers in Sendai, causing terrors and confusions among the people in the area. The waves flooded an estimated area of 217 square miles, swallowing the areas of Kamaishi, Miyako, Otsushi, and Yamada in Iwate Prefecture, Nami, Soma, and Minami-Soma in Fukushima Prefecture, and Shichigahama, Higashimatsushima, Onagawa, Natori, Ishinomaki, and Kesenuma in Miyagi Prefecture, leaving almost 500,000 people homeless. The waves from the tsunami also reached the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant, damaging the cooling system for the reactors, causing a meltdown to the reactor cores building. The waves of the tsunami traveled all the way to Pacific Ocean, reaching Hawaii, Alaska, and Chile. A 5-foot high wave of tsunami killed more than 110,000 nesting seabirds at the Midway Atoll National Wildlife Refuge. The government of Japan responded immediately after the disaster. They helped the National Committee for Emergency Management with the lead of the former Prime Minister Naoto Kan. They declared an emergency in all the affected areas of the calamity and dispatched the Japan Self-Defense Forces for the rescue operations. With the help of the Institute of Fukushima Medical University and Tokyo Medical and Dental University, the latest report from the Japanese National Police Agency confirms 15,899 deaths, 6,157 injured, and 2,529 individuals missing across the 20 prefectures. The effect isn't something to be taken lightly. In 2015, a report indicated that 228,863 individuals were still living away from their hometown in temporary housing or due to permanent relocation. The new technology will help us study this event in order to prevent the loss of many lives sometime in the future. With the help of our great scientists, we hope this nightmare will never happen again.